Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Today we're doing a makeup tutorial for beginners. To start my look off, I'm going to go in with my moisturizer. This also has an SPF of 30 in it. It's really important if you're going to be wearing makeup and going outdoors that you have an SPF on. Definitely a moisturizer as well. I'm going in with my Mcgrath primer. I have dry skin, so I try to find primers that are a little bit more creamier, like thicker. I also went in with my Lauder Mercier translucent powder. This is the only setting powder that doesn't give me flashback. I like to put a little bronzer right here underneath my lip, and that'll give you more of like a pouty look because it's contouring. Everything is about highlighting and contouring and creating like different shapes. I contour my lips, I contour my eyes. Usually I will use a smaller brush for my nose, but when I first started doing my makeup, I only had about 2 or 3 brushes. So you definitely can get everything done without using a million different brushes. I'm only going to use 2 eyeshadows. For my crease, I'm using Swiss Chocolate. This is just like a medium brown. And a lot of the shadows that I like to wear on my lid blends in really good with this. For my lid, I'm using this light golden shade. And I'm just using my finger and focusing this in the center. I'm going to highlight with Bobbi Brown in Bronze Glow. You can wet this too if you want a more intense highlight. Eternal Sun, really natural peach shade. And if you ever feel like you apply too much, you can always go back in with your powder brush and just stamp over it. The key to a good highlight is to highlight where you would already have a natural highlight, like if you were to go out in the sun, wherever it naturally hits you. To line my lips, I'm using NYX's Nude Truffle. My little trick I've been loving is to add a little of the Fenty Lip Balm. It just gives you like a really nice highlight. Here's our finished look. I hope this video was easy and helpful. If it was, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know what else you guys would like to see, and I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Tay Franklin. I'm gonna be showing you guys my everyday glossy nude lip collection and also some of like the new popular trends. Also wearing a liner from MAC. It's called Hover. I love this liner. It's like a natural reddish brown. And I'm going to show you guys on my hand just so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. I think a lot of different skin tones could wear this too. You can always build it up to add more color or tone it down if you need to. There is another shade that I really like from Mcgrath that I wear probably just as much as this one, and that's Flesh Fantasy. So this one is just a little bit more of like a pink undertone than the one that I have on now. It's a little darker. I feel like it still gives me the same color, but just a little darker.